Morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Welcome back to another vlog. I don't even know. I think this must be a continuation of the previous vlog. I don't know. Whichever one it is, take it like that, okay? I've not picked my phone to vlog or to record a video in over a week. Yeah. I think the last time I recorded, or wow, the last time I did anything filming or recording a vlog was on the 2nd of January. Yeah, so today I'm going to the beach. So there's this little beach gathering, beach get together that we have at work. It's just our teammates, just my department. So we're going to the beach today. We're going to Landmark Beach. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. This is how I'm going. Oh, I ran out of mousse, so I can't even touch up my hair right now. So I'm just going to brush my edges. Yeah, I'm going barefaced because I want that fresh breeze from the ocean. Yeah, and I'm also going to be wearing my mask, so what's the point? So yeah, that's what I'm doing today.
So on this beach day, we did not get to do much because work and stuff held some people back. They didn't get to the beach on time. Yes, my team, they're always working. So we got to the beach kind of late. Some of us were early, and yeah, it was already Lagos now. You can't be out for too long, especially if you live far away. So we couldn't get around to doing much. So just enjoy these few clips that I have for you. And yeah, all in all, it was a fun day. I ended up playing Ludo game after so many years. I didn't film that because I don't know. I was just having fun and I didn't even remember to vlog that. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog.
No, this one is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to, I don't even know if this is the start of a new vlog. Pardon my voice. See, I've not picked up the camera in over 1 week. I'm sure I was supposed to start a new vlog today, this morning, Saturday morning, or at least continue. I don't even know where I am at.
But as you can all tell, I am a little bit indisposed. My voice is gone. I'm so weak. You know, I managed to make breakfast this morning and I just ate and slept. I just woke up and I still have a headache. I don't want to take any medicine for the headache. That's why I slept. But I'm up now. I still have the headache. I was supposed to take down my hair today and film it, but I don't know right now. I have a video that I've been editing for the past since last week. This week work has been so stressful, so I didn't really work on it. So I want to try and finish that today. Please, so watch it, okay? It's a story time slash makeup whatever video. It's very long. See, that's part of the reason why I've not finished it. I don't even know how to clump it together because I'm telling a story and then I'm doing makeup. It's long. Please bear with me when that video comes out. I don't know what I was doing. So yeah, I just thought to check in on you guys. I hope you heard me. I hope you managed to hear what I was saying. So I'm just going to get editing and I'll probably talk to you guys later.
Hey lovelies, welcome back. I don't even know. This is my on and off vlogging. I don't know really. It's just that nothing fun has been happening, and these days work has been stressful. So when I get back from work, I just want to rest, you know. But today, this is the motivation for me starting this vlog, you guys. So on my way back from work, I went and had my hair braided to the back because it's going to be wigging for the rest. I'm going to be wigging for the rest of January up to like past mid-February. That's the plan. It's hot here in the kitchen. I'm trying to fix myself something quick for dinner. So yeah, after work I just went straight to the salon. Then it took like 2 hours. What? Okay, no, not 2 hours though. They started making my hair like around 6 and I got done at 6:59. So almost an hour. So they tried. This I'm going to be wearing my hair for the rest of the week, after which I'm going to be putting on wigs. Yeah, so this is the motivation for me starting today's vlog, you guys. So yeah, let me just go ahead and fix myself something to eat. I've missed vlogging actually, but there's nothing fun to do, nothing fun to vlog about, and I usually get home really tired.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So sorry, I'm still struggling with my throat. I don't know, it has even metamorphosed into a cough. Let me pause this. So I was just watching a vlog. That's what I do when I have activities to do, cooking, whatever, editing. I watch something on the side. So yes, I went to check my okra soup. As you guys saw, I've already started my day. I'm trying to make, or I'm making okra soup. I already blended or grated the okra since Monday morning. I'm even making a wedu, or I plan on making a wedu. I've picked the leaves, I've blended it as well. It's just time to cook it. So that's why I decided to make the okra this morning. I'll probably do the ewedu tomorrow or before the week runs out. You guys, this is my life. Work has been stressful these past few days. Like the whole of last week, whenever I wake up at my regular 5 a.m., I'm usually looking at my work, my assignment. I have deadlines to meet up with. So I'm like, I didn't even have time to edit. That's why my uploading schedule has not been, I've not been up to date with my uploads actually. That is why. So yeah, I'm just kind of trying to multitask. So this morning I did a little bit of editing, very little. Then I'm trying to make breakfast for the fam and make the okra. Yeah, so I don't even know what I want to say. Yeah, so that's my morning routine for today. Yeah, I guess that's how I'm just going to be embedding some cooking here and there, because I also want to make a father sauce before this week runs out. Anyway, this is me back to vlogging. Back to vlogging my boring life. By the way, guys, thank you all so much for the support. I'm seeing my number is growing. My numbers are growing, though not like geometrically, but I'm just happy. It's like 500 subscribers is knocking on the door, knocking on my door. I'm so happy. So if you're a constant viewer, a constant subscriber, you regularly comment on my video, you like my video, you share my videos, your good deed is paying off. Because look at, and my hard work, of course, for not giving up, so yeah, I'm happy. So the time is already 2:07. I just need to put in some clips. I'm not doing major editing, I'm just joining the clips. Then later I'll do the proper editing. So that I'm just going to get back to it and then go and get ready for work. So I'm going to see you later.